Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off Axis Builds. Tonight we got the heat plate in, but there's some mods I gotta do to it, so let me show you what's going on. Alright, so got it mounted. I got my braces for the wing mounted to this back plate. I haven't welded it onto the top yet. That's only because I want to be able to remove this easily right now while I'm doing the mods. So what I've come up with is got this little tab here that's hanging below this. So I think what I'm going to do is just cut this off, kind of blend it in a little bit so it's not so sharp right here and it blends into that outer edge. I think it'll look a lot cleaner. The other thing I got to do is pull it off, sand down these holes a little bit, and then give it a little shot of paint, red paint. So, like I said before, that's what I'm going to paint these things. And then this is going to be black, as well as the car will be green. So it'll kind of have its own little look to it. So I'm going to do that to all of the holes. So let's get the engine slid out of here and start sanding the paint. Alright guys, so that's what the finished heat plate, insulator plate, whatever you want to call that, plate looks like. It is about an inch off of the firewall, so it is kind of a heat shield. I did put some insulation behind it to kind of help on vibration, so it might be a little bit of soundproofing as well. So let's go underneath here and take a look. That's a little hard to see. So there's that inch gap I was talking about. So that's kind of what it's going to look like when the engine's in place. It's not bolted in right now, but it is close to where it's supposed to be bolted in. Obviously, I got to mount the transmission and bell housing together, but so it'll be a little bit closer. But that's about what it's going to look like. Alright guys, thanks for watching.